Lions fight for their survival every day. They fight to protect their territory and to lead their pride. This lion has wandered into another pride's land. The lion tries to defend himself, but he is outnumbered. The lionesses attack him fiercely, protecting their land and their cubs. The battle is brutal. The lion fights with all his strength, but the lionesses are relentless. The battle rages on, and the lion tries to push forward, determined to claim this territory. But the pride's defense is brutal and unforgiving. In the end, the lone lion is forced to retreat, wounded and exhausted.